Okay, so it's like 7 or 7:30 in the morning. I've got a student coming at 8 o'clock this morning for a beginner backspinning class. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the workshop and tidy up, get some work done before the student arrives. Okay. Let's get going. So a little bit of tidying up, got a few minutes here before the student arrives, and hopefully we'll get some good footage of that. See you in a bit. There's less surface area contact when we hit. On the third side, I just line it up, looking straight down. Less surface area contact when we hit, pressure exerted, right? It also means that if we're off that way or that way, we're still hitting in the same place. Yeah. If we're off with this, just slightly, if we're hitting like that, and we're off just slightly, all of a sudden we're hitting an inch away from the cup. And what it'll do is we can just slide off lightly, create a big old bend in the bar. However, if I do that same tilt with the round die, like this, it hits in the exact same place. So basically, it's just a little bit more kind of user-friendly. The dimension is half that of the rest of the bar. Then wherever I am, with that shoulder down, I'm going to turn 180 degrees, so that shoulder faces up, and we slide it back to the near side of the amp, to where the forging starts and stops. My steel is parallel to the ground, I strike half on, half off, like so. Okay, we've just had lunch, and now we're going to crack on with some more things. We're going to make a leaf J-hook, which is always fun. Struggling with most?
I'm struggling with the heat, but I'm enjoying the whole experience.
It's a hot day here in Norwich again. So he's left-handed, and I've never forged left-handed. I think I need to have a go so I can empathize. his leaf was wonky. I said it's arty. 2 forge blowers at full tilt over there to try and cool it off. It is hot, hot, hot. While filming those cool angles earlier, I thought to myself, perhaps that's gonna actually unencourage people to come take classes, because I had that camera like right underneath you.
He didn't put me off.
Okay. What a great day!
It was brilliant. Amazing.
Look at all this fun stuff we made. Poker, leaf hooks, leaves and hooks. Woo! Thank you so much for coming. It has been awesome amount of fun.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been really good.
I hope I haven't annoyed you too much with like the incessant filming. No, seriously, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
It's been awesome, man.
It's been really good.
What a great day.
Yeah, thank you. It's been really good.
You did a great job on those leaves, by the way, man.
Thanks.
I mean, for your first leaves, they are incredible. No, you did good. Maybe next time you'll pick the hammer up a little more, though. Maybe hit a little harder.
I've got to work on.
No, yeah,
That's
great
my
control, great finesse. No, you did great, man.
Thank you.
Right. On to the next stop. I'm gonna go do some paddleboarding, of all things. That was so much fun. Thanks, you. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
It's been great fun seeing you, man.
I've
See you
really
soon.
enjoyed it.
We're gonna get him in the workshop soon. Soon. Right, see you guys. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.